If you think there really is such a thing as an uncleanable carpet, then you need to watch this. In order to put ChemDry's proprietary hot carbonating extraction cleaning process to the test, we're going to soil a piece of carpet with a mixture of dirt and cooking oil. Now, some might say this worst-case scenario is a homeowner's nightmare and an uncleanable mess, but not with ChemDry. As our power head runs over the soiled area, you see the true power of hot carbonating extraction. Millions of tiny bubbles help release and lift the dirt, grime, and oil to the surface where it's easily whisked away. Combining carbonation with our amplified extraction technology, ChemDry provides you with the best cleaning system and the best cleaning experience you can get, leaving your carpet sparkling clean and dry in hours, not days like most steam cleaners. Testing by an independent lab found that ChemDry's hot carbonating extraction cleaning process removed an average of 98% of common household allergens from carpet and upholstery, and 89% of airborne bacteria when combined with the sanitizer. Our mission is to leave you and your family with a healthier, happier home. ChemDry. We clean for your health like no one else.